In today's video, we will learn a trick in Excel. Here I have entered some values where we can see that in this column I find it name and their mobile number is written. So if I have to need to segregate these number and name in separate columns, let it be name here and their mobile number here. So what can we do? So what I will do, I will select this name and number together, then I will press Ctrl+G, then clicking on special, here I find constants, click on constants. Now if I want the names here, so it's a text value, so I will unclick the numbers, I will unclick the logicals, I will unclick the errors. Then as I find it in the text, it is checked correct, it is OK sign is there, then finally I will click on OK. Then I have to press Ctrl+C and paste Ctrl+V. So I find it's automatically gets segregated, the names are automatically get segregated here. Now come to the number part. Here what I will do, again I will press Ctrl+G, press on special, then press on constant. Now press unclick the text, unclick the logicals, unclick the errors. It is now numbers. Press OK. Now paste Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+P. So here again I will do, it is now, again I will select this column having numbers and name, then Ctrl+G, then put on special and press click on constant and unclick the numbers, unclick the logicals, unclick the text, unclick the errors and click on numbers. Now press OK. Now Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So in this way I find it how I am able to segregate the name and numbers which are in the same column into two different columns individually. In the single column names are there and in the other column I find their individual numbers. So this is how we are using this trick in the Excel. Hope you all have understood.